Apple says their new AirPods earphones are wireless, effortless, and magical. And while we couldn't agree more, unfortunately, they're also fairly easy to lose and costly to replace. That's why we created Pod Straps. Pod Straps are a lightweight strap that connects to each earbud, keeping them secure around your neck. They're perfect for running and working out, on your commute, or pausing for a real-world conversation. Pod Straps are lightweight, super soft on your neck, and they won't interfere with AirPods sound quality or touch controls. The polyelastomer grips fit snugly over the AirPod stems, giving you confidence that your AirPods aren't going anywhere. And when you need to charge your AirPods, you just pull the pod straps off the ends. They easily wrap around the charging case for safekeeping. We've done this before. We brought Kickstarter the original Bud Straps, which keep wired earbuds from falling off. And since then, we've sold over 10,000 pairs, becoming the most trusted name in cord organizers. We're back on Kickstarter to fund our production order. Working prototypes are in hand, our factory is ready to push the button, but only with a 5,000 unit order. You can make that happen. Order 2, one for the gym and one for the office. Buy a few for your friends as gifts. And please, tell your friends who are getting the AirPods about Pod Straps.
Introducing the new Mango MagnaSnap Mini Magnetic Air Vent Mount. Included in the box are instructions, 2 metal backplates, and the MagnaSnap mount. With its sleek and simple design, the MagnaSnap mount makes mounting your devices easier than ever. To use the MagnaSnap mount, attach one of the metal backplates to the back of your device, inside the cover of your device, or on the outside of the device case. For the strongest grip, have direct contact between the metal backplate and the MagnaSnap mount. To use the MagnaSnap mount, choose between one of 2 size slots on the mount and push it all the way into the air vent in your vehicle. Then, attach your device with the metal backplate to the MagnaSnap mount. With its 360-degree swivel capability, mount the device at whichever angle suits the driver's needs.
Hi guys, I'm Lorenzo.
Hi, I'm Carlo.
Every day smartphones are becoming smarter, but the battery life remains critical. We'd like to use our phones without the fear of running out of battery.
Of course, there are solutions such as power cases and extra batteries, but they're either not portable enough or easy to forget.
We designed a product so compact that will follow you everywhere. A cable the size of an inch. We call it InCharge.
It's a very simple product, yet so useful that we believe everybody should own one.
That's why one of our main goals was to keep it affordable, a tiny product at a tiny price.
We spend on average 70% of our day next to a USB port, and every time it's a chance to top up our batteries.
There are over 5 billion USB ports around the world.
InCharge will fit into your pocket, and you won't have to fight with tangled cords ever again.
Thanks to its remarkably compact design, you can snap it onto your keyring, and there is no chance to forget it at home.
We spent the last 3 months designing the product and testing the prototypes, and now we are finally ready to start the production.
InCharge will be available with both Lightning connector and micro USB, so it's compatible with most of the devices out there.
We are really excited about this, and we hope you are too. Now we need your help to bring InCharge into your pocket.
As a supporter, you will get your own InCharge at a special price, so please consider backing our project and share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching, we really appreciate your support.
Thank
Thanks.
you.